there are two types of enzyme, intracellular and the extracellular enzymes. So firstly we will see the what is meant by intracellular enzymes. The enzymes are synthesized and retained in the cell for the use of cell itself. These are called as the intracellular, and they are found in the cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria and chloroplast. The example is oxidoreductase catalyzes biological oxidation enzymes involved in the reduction in the mitochondria. And second one is the extracellular enzymes are synthesized in the cell but secreted from the cell to work externally. And these example are the digestive enzyme, which is produced by the pancreas and are not used by the cell in the pancreas but are transported to the duodenum. So these are the two types of the enzymes. Now we will see the characteristic of the enzymes. The enzymes speed up the reaction by lowering the activation energy of the reaction. Their presence does not affect the nature and properties of the end product. They are highly specific in their action, that is, each enzyme can catalyze one kind of substrate. Small amount of enzymes can accelerate the chemical reactions. Enzymes are sensitive to change in pH, temperature and substrate concentration. Turnover number is defined as the number of substrate molecule transforming per minute by one enzyme molecule. This is the formula. Catalyzed turnover number is equal to 6 multiplied by 106 per minute. Now we will see the nomenclature of enzyme. Enzymes is named according to the name of the substrate it catalyzes. Some enzymes were named before a systematic way of naming enzymes was formed. Example: pepsin, trypsin and rennin. By adding suffix as at the end of the name of the substrate, enzymes are named. Enzymes for catalyzing the hydrolysis is termed as the hydrolysis enzyme. Example: maltose plus water. The catalyst is maltase. It gives the glucose plus glucose. These are the some example. The substrate is lactose, enzyme lactase, and product is glucose and galactose. Second, maltose, enzyme maltase, product glucose. Third, cellulose, cellulase, product glucose. Lipid, lipase, product glycerol plus fatty acid. Substrate starch, enzyme amylase, catalyst and product maltose. Protein, protease, product peptides and polypeptides. Now we will see the classification. A systematic classification of enzymes has been developed by International Enzyme Commission. This classification is based on the type of reaction catalyzed by enzymes, and there are 6 major classes. Each classes is further divided into subclasses, subclasses and so on to describe the huge number of different enzymes catalyze reaction. So these are the classification of enzyme. Enzyme class is oxidoreductase. Reaction type is reduction and oxidation, and example lactase dehydrogenase. Second, transferase, move chemical group, example hexokinase. Hydrolysis, bond cleavage with transfer of functional group of water, example lysozyme. Lysase, non-hydrolytic bond cleavage, example fumarase. Isomerase, intramolecular group transferase, example triose phosphate isomerase. Ligase, synthesis of new covalent bond between substrate using ATP hydrolysis, and example is RNA polymerase. Now we will see the mechanism of enzyme action. The catalytic efficiency of enzyme is explained by two perspectives: is thermodynamic changes and process at the active site. The thermodynamic change, all chemical reactions have energy barrier between the reactant and product. The difference in transitional state and substrate is called as the activational barrier. So this is the diagram. So difference between the transitional shell and the state and substrate is called as the activation barrier. Now we will see the thermodynamic changes. Only a few substances across the activation barrier and change into product. That is why rate of uncatalyzed reaction is much slow. The enzyme provide an alternative pathway for the conversion of the substrate into the product. Enzyme accelerate the reaction rate by forming transitional state having low activation energy. Hence, the reaction rate is increased manifold in the presence of enzymes. the total energy of the system remain the same and equilibrium state is not disturbed. This is the thermodynamic change you can see. Okay, so without enzyme what happen? Activation energy without the enzyme net energy released from splitting the lactose, means we need the more energy. With enzymes what happen? The enzymes lactase lactase enzymes is a catalyst which bind to the lactose, and here the product is glucose plus galactose. Activation energy with net energy release. So the enzyme speed up the reactions. Process at the active site: covalent catalysis, acid base catalysis, catalyzed by proximity and catalyzed by strain. So